Hello and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today, we'll talk about sponsorship as a service in clinical research. More after the intro.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
Clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that looks at how well medical treatments, devices, and diagnostic tools work in humans. It's a vital component of developing new medicines and treatments and improving patient health outcomes. One crucial aspect of clinical research is sponsorship. A sponsor is typically a person or organization that assumes responsibility for the initiation, management, and financing of a clinical trial. However, in recent years, a new concept has emerged: sponsorship as a service. This video will delve into what sponsorship as a service in clinical research means, its role, its process, cost efficiency, and future trends. Let us begin with understanding sponsorship as a service in clinical research. Sponsorship as a service is a novel approach where an external organization provides sponsorship services to those conducting clinical research. In this model, the sponsorship as a service provider oversees regulatory compliance, data handling, and other administrative tasks for the study. Unlike traditional sponsorship models, where the sponsor typically has direct control over all aspects of the trial, sponsorship as a service allows research organizations to delegate some of these responsibilities. This approach can lead to greater efficiency and cost savings. What is the role of sponsorship as a service in clinical research? Sponsorship as a service can play an important role in maintaining clinical trial accessibility for research groups, investigator-initiated trials, and small enterprises still in need of a compliant quality management system. The desire of these parties to conduct clinical research, while simultaneously being confronted with an increasingly complex regulatory framework, creates the need for novel solutions to enable them to participate in developing our healthcare solutions. By taking on the responsibilities traditionally handled by sponsors, sponsorship as a service frees up time for researchers to focus on their core work, designing and conducting studies. Benefits of using sponsorship as a service include increased efficiency due to specialized expertise, reduced overhead costs as there's no need for research organizations to maintain their regulatory departments, and decreased risk as providers stay up to date with regulatory changes. Let us talk about the process of sponsorship as a service in clinical research. Key to sponsorship as a service is that the initiator of the trial, be it a researcher or a small enterprise, remains in control of the scientific elements of the trial. For example, the selection of the study population and general design of the treatment schedule. The sponsorship as a service provider is supporting all logistical elements and taking over ultimate responsibility, but should act as a key support element. This interaction requires trust between both parties, as decisions made by the initiator cannot endanger the integrity of the trial, which is ultimately the responsibility of the sponsorship as a service provider. The responsibilities and how they are distributed between the parties must clearly be described in a contractual agreement, so that it is transparent which functions reside with the sponsorship as a service provider and which are performed by the trial initiator. What are future trends in sponsorship as a service in clinical research? As more entities recognize the benefits of sponsorship as a service in clinical research, its use is likely to continue growing. We can expect advancements in technology to further improve efficiency and oversight capabilities. Understanding and utilizing sponsorship as a service could open up new opportunities. Whether you're planning your first study or looking for ways to streamline an existing one, consider how sponsorship as a service could benefit your work. In conclusion, sponsorship as a service represents a transformative shift in the landscape of clinical research. By offering a robust solution to the complexities of regulatory and administrative tasks, sponsorship as a service enables research groups, investigator-initiated trials, and budding enterprises to navigate the intricate maze of clinical trials with more agility and focus. As we stride into the future, sponsorship as a service is poised to make clinical research more efficient, cost-effective, and inclusive. For those at the helm of clinical studies, embracing sponsorship as a service might be the key to unlocking greater potentials and ensuring that research remains centered on its primary objective, enhancing patient health outcomes. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research. We look forward to seeing you next time.